back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on the notifications and give me a huge thumbs up. Today I'm going to open a cotton candy toy and it smells sweet. And how did that happen? And first we're going to take off this little sticker off. And over here, I don't know if you can see, but over here you have a little zipper thing. And you just peel it all the way off, just like this. And keep unwrapping it. Or you can also just zip, or first you could just take off this little sticker before you take off the wrapper, which I'm just going to do now. And then keep unwrapping like this. And then you can open it up like that. And you have some really soft and fluffy slime. And it's super duper soft. And you can unwrap it like this, or you can use some scissors, or the easiest way to do it is by holding both ends, then pull, which I'm trying to do, but for some reason not work. And the last option you can do, which I know, is just pull this bit down and pull it off. And you have your super duper soft and fluffy slime. Well guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, turn on the notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up. Bye. This